Today we have seen about the concepts of digitalization in the past, today, and the tomorrow. Uh, for digitalization for any business environment, it has to start the present. This is the overview for the presentation. It starts from the concepts about digitalization, and we have also reached for the implementation process for digitalization any sector, either manufacturing or business environment. First, we have to starting by defining for the digitalization. What is digitalization? It is the use of digital technology to change the business model. It provides new revenue for marketing. It's used for digitalization provides to value producing opportunity for in manufacturing industry. It is a process of moving to the digital business from analog to the digital. Digitalization also defined in different scenario, starting from yesterday to the end tomorrow. When come for digitalization yesterday, the internet of people, that means most data generated by for humans for that is yesterday, but today most business environment is or the data is generated by things like computers, sensors, internet, and other facilities that used or enabled for the business environments. And digitalization defined in either in today or tomorrow and yesterday scenario. When come to digitalization tomorrow is time changing in digital in tomorrow, the internet of service and value we have considered for the value and search for the internet. And then it not only this, but we can also define digitalization in terms of creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offers that have a value for the customers or that useful for the customers or the uh, consumers. Not only that, but also for the producer and the manufacturing and the other segments of supply chain process. It is a process of converting analog material like paper, artifacts, film, tabs, and books to a digital format reliable by an electronic device, and it is easily accessible in with a web through the internet or uh, related service. This digital technology relevant in the market producer value creation and business models are changing because for instance in the market consumer the product increasing connected and self monitoring instead of analog and personalized offering and interactions increase availability of the information, but it also used for competitor and business model in such a way that by marketing entry of the technology campaign approach for the business development and research and development. Digitalization also it is converting analog data and information into digital format or easily accessible in electronic form. It is a process of capturing, representing physical or analog signals, for instance, sound, image, or document as series of discrete numerical values that can be easily stored, processed, and transmitted using the digital technology or internet. This digital technology have great impact for the current business. Why? Because it could be improves the way of generating value, changing how target the customer. It's used for affect the value of promotion because it is agile and easily accessible to the customer and the user, and not only that but also the producer enhance the enterprise capability help difference from the computation to manufacturing segment. In short, digital technology and digitalization used for everyday efficiency, business benefit, information transfer. For instance, in the business efficiency, it's a repetitive task and streamline of various business process, increasing productivity and efficiency. It also adopting digital technology in the business benefit side, or organizations can enhance their operation, reduce cost, and unlock new revenue for their business system. And it also digitalization informers can most easily share, access, and agile to throughout the segments of the supply chain or the manufacturing process. Not only this, but also digitalization. It improves collaboration, decision making, and overall business agility and flexibility. It also provides to implement flexible manufacturing strategy for greater responsiveness to the consumer demand, digitalize many aspects of their process, and connecting disparate data sources with easily and effectively improve effect, safety, reduce manufacturing cost, and improve service to manufacturing industry. When we implement this digital technology or digitalization to manufacturing industry or service sector, we have to follow three steps. The three key steps. The first is sampling or quantifying for the data. That's analog data should be captured regular intervals and converted into a numeric representation. And then next we have to signal manipulation for the sampled or the quantified data. Once I get the data from the data, can be easily manipulated, edited, and enhanced using various softwares and algorithms. And then we can, when we do this, we use for storage and transmission channels or data or storage systems, and cloud-based storage platform also used for this, and migrating to the cloud using number of cloud migration tools. For instance, try the cloud data stored like using Amazon Web Service or Microsoft and others. And this for the three steps, for the key steps for digitalization of process. When we implement this digital technology in our business environment, using the help of these three steps, first we should plan and follow the implementation strategy. That should be, it needs for a need assessment, determine our users, our goal and mission, and what are you going to digitalize and why, and how you going to digitalize in-house or outsourced, or consider the copyright issue when we digitalize any business, and determine the cost based on the option chosen, whether it is profitable or not, how much we spend to digitalize it, and come up with a work plan to digitalize this for the planning and the implementation strategy for the digital. This is this detailed procedure for digitalization done. Uh, this digitalization the concept, this and this lecture have covered all the concepts of digitalization. Digitalization is the process of converting analog data into digital or electronic system using a digital technology, and it is stored in cloud using cloud platforms. We can to enable and process or make agile using various digitalized tools or systems, like a tool like enterprise resource planning or any logic in, for instance, in supply chain process. Or we can use also in manufacturing industry like enterprise resource planning or inventory control and other strategies to digitalize our systems. And this is for digitalization and why we this digitalization we implement in our business or our environments. That is, it is provide for flexibility, safety, productivity, and efficiency and effectiveness for our business environment. This is for all about the concepts about for digitalization and the concepts for digitalization. And digitalization also define today, yesterday, and the future in different scenario. The past, this is somewhat it is analog type, and the current using for various tools, but it is enabled using for the humans, but for the future digitalization process is facilitated using for things or internet of things. Thank you for watching for this video. If like this, you can like and share the video. If you have any comment, you can send a comment directly by Rush. This artist. Thank you. Watching.